Hello, welcome back to Cardfight Vanguard HD. This is our sixth box. That's right, sixth box. So here we go. First pack, nothing. Apocalypse Bat. I'm just gonna put them in their packs again, just to be tidy. So I opened like 2 boxes off camera because my camera is running out of the battery. So I mean, not the battery, but the memory. It's only 8 GB, sadly. Oh, the end. Pretty good. I feel like today is my day. I never had such good openings before, I swear. Let's see what's in here. Nothing. It was Mithril, whatever it is. So let's move on. Something, I don't know what that is. Next card, grade 3, Night of Harvest. Something else again? No foils. If it's a foil, I'll let you know. The only card I need right now is K for double R thing. And maybe one more Masquerade, I'm not sure. No, actually I think I have all the Masquerades. The Tiger again. Like a boss. Searcher for mandala. It's a funny thing. I haven't gotten one mandala, like one mandala, not one mandala out of 8 boxes. Can you believe that? Not one mandala. Anyways, I got another MLB. I'm not complaining about not getting ML mandala, but it would be nice to pull one at least, just one, just for the sake of pulling it. Hey, yo, Pineapple. Just like saying that. I'm sure everyone else likes saying that too. Oh, the new promo. Just gonna make this fast because made enough filling rows. And one more pack here. It's probably nothing because I already pulled 4 on one side. Yeah, nothing. 10k vanilla for new nectar. Well, it's just this is being tidy. See? Being tidy. Now you can just put them back. So our next left side. Now we need like we have 1 triple R left in there. And like 3 double Rs. Yeah, 3 double Rs. No, yeah. Basically 4 foils. Yeah, that's right. If I pull PBO on this, this would be a pretty good box. And I'm going to show you the best box that I had earlier, which was off camera. I'll show you what I got. Million rats. Oh, this thing again. Night of Harvest. Oh man, I'm remembering the names I don't want to remember. Oh, this thing. I don't like miss anything here. Let's see. Oh, Burning Horn. Yeah, I did miss that. So I kind of need that. Oh, shit. So bad at this. This Glass Beats Dragon. Flame of Promise. Nothing. What the hell was that? Oh, sorry for the. Oh man. I'm pulling this, but no mandala. Okay. Which is not a bad thing because it's one of the triple R's, but not really. It's still worth $10, but the bad ones are If I pull one, I'll show you what's a bad one. Well, you guys already know Mistress Hurricane, right? Oh, mandala. mandala. I'm kind of happy for pulling this for some reason, because I hadn't pulled any. Oh, Burning Horn again, pretty good. Something. There's one double R left in it. If I see, I'll show you too. It's like 1 minute left in the recording, so I gotta hurry. It should be double R. Yeah, wow. So anyways, what I pulled earlier on was this. In one box, I pulled 1 MLB and 1 SP. That was pretty awesome. And in the next pack, I pulled 1 build about 1 Star Call, my first one. So I'm kind of happy because I only needed 1 and 1 PBO. And yeah. So thank you for watching, signing out. And if you like anything, let me know. I'll be doing deck profiles, of course. That's the reason I bought 8 boxes. Well, that's not the reason I bought 8 boxes. I bought 8 boxes so I can make them. But I'll show you to you guys. Anyways, these mats, since I got 2 of them, I'll be doing like a contest, weekly contest. The last week's winner, I'll announce it in the next video. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked my pulls. I did. And I'm happy to pull mandala. Thank you for watching. Signing out, Zero.